Hey guys, welcome to Top 5 Niches of the Week, episode 153. Today I've got 5 print-on-demand niches for you to target to increase your sales in the near future that I'm going to be sharing with you. So let's get to it. Let's get started with my Amazon merch sales. So I did 340 sales in the last 7 days. 257 came from the US market for about $1,068 in royalties. I spent about $4 a day on average on ads. So if anybody was wondering, and then the rest looks like another few $100 came from the international markets. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I'll link to my account in the description. I do post daily sales updates. All right, let's check out the top 10 before we get to the 5 niches specifically to focus on. So this is what the top 10 on Amazon merch currently looks like. We've got the, we got a new shirt, the recycle, reuse, renew, rethink. In the top spot, we've got Just a Girl Who Loves Sunshine and Pickleball, so maybe there's something there for the pickleball fans. We got the Taylor Swift, You Need to Calm Down. I'm pretty sure that's why that shirt is selling as well as it is. Some of the son-in-law, my favorite child is my son-in-law. Of course, the I'm Not Old, I'm Classic. So that's what the top 10 is looking like today. And this leads us to niche number 1, which had to be the Recycle, Reuse, Renew, Rethink. I don't know how it wouldn't be this shirt. The average BSR in the top 10 looks to be maybe 50,000, right? So that just means this niche has a ton of sales taking place regularly in it. I actually spotted this during the week. I spotted it earlier with my private community, and I know some people already made some sales in this niche when it first kind of emerged. I also learned from them, somebody recognized it. Apparently this is popular because it was removed from Walmart because there's like a hidden message in the design, which I'll let you guys find for yourself. But so does that mean that it's not safe for Amazon? Well, as of today, it looks like it's probably okay. I do have a video that I link in the description of every single top 5 niches of the week video called Is This Niche Safe? Which I do recommend you guys check out. That's the best suggestion I can pretty much give to help you keep your merch account safe. But yeah, recycle, reuse, renew, rethink. All right, niche number 2. And this had to be niche number 2, I feel like. It's the My Son-in-Law Is My Favorite Child. Now, I've seen some variations of this that are also selling. Like, I saw a shirt that was trending that said, I don't have a favorite child, but if I did, it would be my son-in-law or it would be my daughter-in-law. Obviously, you can spin it different ways. But look at the average BSR of the top 10. It looks to be, probably under 100,000. Yeah, definitely under 100,000, I'd say. This shirt is selling really well. I mean, what more do we need to say? I don't know why it's trending so much, but it's something we need to take note of as t-shirt sellers. Again, if we're just trying to make some sales in the near future, we want to follow the crowd, follow the customers, and this niche is doing extremely well. And it's not, it's not me recommending that you sell a Taylor Swift shirt. You know what I'm saying? We're skipping those. We're letting other people do those, and we're going to the safer niches, all right? By the way, check this out. This is more or less how I would go about designing in this niche. Well, also, I like to do multiple designs in a niche if I'm going to go into the niche, but I like these shirts that are, the white shirts. Like, this is the top 20, and only 2 of the top 20 are white shirts. The rest are black, right? So just do something a little bit different, a little bit outside the box, and I just wanted to give them a shout out. The people who jump into a niche, because some people say, oh, it's too crowded, I'm not going to be able to make a sale, but how about going about it differently? You know what I mean? Go make a green shirt. Go make a red shirt. You know what I mean? Do something a little bit differently. And you might not make it into a bestseller, but if you make a couple sales because you're the only person that had the alternative color primary thumbnail, that's a nice way of standing out. Niche number 3 today. Ooh, before we get to niche number 3, quick plug. I have my free print-on-demand mini course, and it's like 3 weeks of daily content that's very thorough. It took me forever to write that course. It's delivered via email. You can find a link to that in the description. And I have my link to the print-on-demand Facebook group that I run also down there. So I hope you guys check those out. Niche number 3 is going to be rock the test. All right, rock the test. We're getting into teaching. We're getting into school. We're getting into end of year. All right, for those of you guys that have kids, or potentially if you're still in school, you already know it's end of year, right? It's getting to that time. You got to have your end of year testing. And that leads us to rock the test shirts, all right? By the way, if you do a trademark search, which I knew you guys were going to do anyways, there is a trademark on rock the test. However, it's not on t-shirts. So you should, in theory, be okay. I just wanted to let you guys know, and you should always do your own due diligence and do everything that I recommend to keep your account safe. That includes trademark tests or trademark searches. Rock the test though, guys. So There's a couple different ways to spin it though. You could make just a rock the test shirt. You can see rock the test with hashtag test day. Rock the test, don't stress, do your best. Like there's a lot of different ways to go about it. I also wanted to point out a lot of the best-selling designs in the teaching niche and the school-related niches often have these rainbow style graphics. And I wanted to give a shout out if anybody is like, man, I do not know how to create designs that look this good. Quick shout out for Creative Fabrica. Guys, you can join for like $4.99 a month, I'm pretty sure. If you use I think it's like an annual plan. Either way, it's extremely affordable, and they have like so many options for the pre-made graphics that you can use in your design, so there's really no excuse. They have a bunch. This is just me screenshotting like 6 options, but if you just type in like rainbow heart, I think I searched for rainbow heart and I got a bunch of these. There's a whole, huge page of search results. So I'll link to Creative Fabrica in the description in case you want to check it out. Also, shout out to Creative Fabrica. They're sponsoring a giveaway where me and Cassie Johnson, another great print-on-demand YouTuber, are going to actually announce the winners tomorrow live on my channel. But we have $600 in Amazon gift cards to give away for Creative Fabrica users. If you missed how to enter, I will link to that in the description of this video. There is still time, so make sure you do that. You've got nothing to lose. Niche number 4 this week is Gay Pride. Why don't we look forward to Pride Month? Isn't Pride Month in June? I believe. I should know that off the top of my head, but now I'm like second guessing myself. Just want to make sure I get it right. Yes, Thursday, June 1st kicks off Pride Month, and we know the most sales are going to take place in the first week of June, so go for it. Also, there's already some Pride-related shirts selling quite well. It looks like this Be Careful Who You Hate, It Could Be Someone You'd Love as a sub-niche is selling quite well. You can see the top 3 shirts indexed on Gay Pride search terms are those shirts. And then there's even a 4th shirt in the number 6 spot with 120,000 BSR. So these have some really nice BSRs, and you can definitely make sales on the Gay Pride stuff year round, but I'm just suggesting it now as well because once early June hits, like that's going to be a huge opportunity. Niche number 5. It is Derby, all right, because on Saturday, May 6th, the Kentucky Derby kicks off. It's probably like the peak interest in terms of horse racing. So horse racing related shirts will probably see peak demand around then, and you can prepare for that right now. Obviously, be extremely careful with your keywords. I'm not telling anybody to sell shirts that say Kentucky Derby because I'm assuming that's not allowed. But general like horse racing shirts, the shirt behind me, I think it's hilarious. It just says weekend forecast, horse racing with a chance of drinking. Stuff like that is really funny. So check those out. That's definitely an opportunity coming in early May. All right, emerging trends. These are shirts that are outperforming their average 30-day BSR. So we have another play on the Taylor Swift shirt where it's like, it's me, I'm the problem, it's me, except it says, it's me, hi, I'm the teacher, it's me. Work hard, pray harder, no one likes us, we don't care. Some flowers shirts, queens are named Vicky, I don't know, just some random stuff. All American Girl. And then it looks like an autism awareness right there, yeah. Looking ahead, if you want to sell in some random niches at least 1 month out, we have May 16th, Love a Tree Day. May 17th, Pack Rat Day. May 18th, International Museum Day. May 19th, National Bike to Work Day. And May 20th, Armed Forces Day. And here's the archive. We're looking back 11 months ago to see what could potentially be trending 1 month from today, if that serves as any indicator. We have an Ultra MAGA shirt. I never dreamed I'd be a grumpy old man, but here I am. 2 of those were selling well. Best Dad Ever. So they're basically going to be like more Father's Day related stuff that's going to be trending, predictably, I would say. And then another Ultra MAGA shirt. So I don't know if that's really time sensitive. That was probably just trending for whatever reason a year ago. 11 months ago, sorry. All right, removed designs here. Wrapping up the episode, here are some of the recently removed designs. These were all removed in the last 2 weeks, so do with that what you will. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. Quick reminder, I have a full print-on-demand course where you can learn my exact methods that help me scale my business from $0 when I had no clue what print-on-demand was, all the way up to 6-figure annual profits and multi-million-dollar sales. You can learn more about that in the description. Also, I run a private community where I do weekly live streams and office hours. It's the easiest way to work directly with me. If you would like to join, there is a link in the description. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you tomorrow where we announce, I'm going to be joined by Cassie Johnson live. We're going to announce the giveaway winners for our Creative Fabrica Amazon gift cards. So I hope to see you there.